Not a bad place to fly.
I'd fly it here.
No, I wouldn't fly the E4 here.
Why?
I'd fly it here.
It needs a longer landing.
I'll fly the F-15 here.
The F-15 maybe. The F-15 will work because the F-15 died.
Just a little bit.
It's still coming from the right. So you got a glow on the video?
Yeah. Frank, what the hell you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
Flying like a ding dong.
Ray, you want to move back? Let's move back.
I will.
Timer cleared.
Fucking heli. That's on video too. Oh well. Alright, here we go. Maybe. Okay, we're up.
Terry flies on Mondays. Frank, you gotta watch the sign over there.
Yeah, that's why last minute I corrected.
You don't wanna have a plane hanging on the side.
Fong! It's gonna be a funny sound too.
That's gonna be the sound of an unfortunate plane.
Crazy guy.
The sound of $350 hanging on a...
Okay, I'm going from the right. Oh, don't say I'm a bad influence now. Come on now.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Just like, Rand, you probably would do the same, but you tend to be very responsible.
He's conservative. I think having the other baby is what made him all conservative.
Yeah, but he's
Well, I don't know if you guys noticed, but recently I've been flying
Fucking
alone
Frank.
from a reason.
God dang it, Frank! You almost went up my tailpipe. The hell was that?
You guys are bringing the craziness out of me. Every time I fly with you guys, the battery turns, and the battery is all puffed out. Man, I so wanted to try the new F-15 setup.
what is it? 2000 kV?
Yeah.
Oh, what were the readings in the plane?
I never got to test it.
Oh, okay.
I was too busy last night fixing my F5.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
And I had high expectation for this road.
It's
But
real.
if we'll move further down the road,
I think further down would be better.
maybe better.
Get
Yeah.
away, huh?
That bird's like, wah!
Because then you will be in parallel to the road,
Yeah.
not.
Right, and you'd know where not to go.
You'll have longer runway as well.
Yeah. All right, Frank, where are we? We haven't done anything like together at all. We've almost hit each other and. All right, diving down.
91 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is my 30C pack too. Doing a pass from the right.
1 minute.
Whoa, lots of thermals. I love that sound.
Time remaining 39 seconds.
All right, just to be nice to my battery, I'm gonna come in.
Landing flap. Gear down. 30 seconds.
I'm coming in. Whoa! I hit some weird air. It was like a.
That seems like a stalker.
It was like a. Feel it? There it is. It was a thermal.
Yeah.
It was a wind. It was like a wind shear. Oh, there's somebody flying a Mavic out here. What the hell's this?